Silly Skinner Sisters, and today we're doing a slime challenge. So what's going to happen is there's some ingredients in here that are written on a piece of paper, and we're going to pick, closing our eyes and looking away, and then all the ingredients are over there. We're going to put them in our bowl, and so we're going to see at the end we're going to activate, and you're going to see what our slimes look like. So Ellie, you can go first, so look away, and then you can pick something. Yep.
This says teal food coloring.
She got teal food coloring.
So do I just put it in there?
Yeah, you can like put as many drops.
As many drops.
So that is what Els looks like right now.
It's
just food coloring.
One more square.
I'm gonna go pick this one. Purple glue. I got purple glue.
Her favorite color. There's also pink glue.
Some purple glue.
Oh, Joe, there was also green glue. I'm surprised you didn't see that.
So I'm gonna try to put some in here.
Don't use all of it.
Wait, and
Just use your spoon.
one more square. There. So this is what it looks like right now. This is sparkly glue, purple glue. Yeah, I really like this kind of color. It's really, really pretty.
Mine is.
Okay, you can go. So
Mine's like
look away. I was gonna pick. I'm gonna help you so you don't look at any. Okay, see what you got. Blue, green glitter.
Okay, this makes a good mash because it's like tan food coloring and
Teal.
green.
tan. Okay, so she's putting some green glitter in. It's pretty. Els is like a blue-green theme, I guess.
I'll show them.
So, yep. And I'm going to pick this one. Oh, here's a food. I got glue again. I got pink glue. Oh, no fair. Okay. Pink glue. Mine is going to be like a light purple.
I need glue. That's enough glue, Julia. Don't waste all of it because I like pink.
We have 2 more bottles of pink and purple over there in the Lego. So we are A-okay. I really want to get foam balls.
She loves them. In the other videos, she tell you guys she absolutely positively loves them.
Look at mine. That is so pretty.
This isn't really anything.
It's shiny in the...
Okay, my turn.
Okay.
Did I get one?
Yeah.
White
Glue, finally. Okay, so you can add as much glue as you
Wait,
want.
can we mix it right now?
Yeah, I mixed mine. I'm strong.
Me too. I lifted a 25-pound weight. And she couldn't.
I can. I just wasn't in the mood to.
You're
Can I have a little more? Okay.
It's a moment of truth.
To the side, and it's my turn. I'm so excited. Look at Els. Oh my
The
gosh.
glitter is
that
like stuck to the bottom.
That is so pretty.
There's not much glitter
So
in here.
it's a-
Can we add more glitter?
No, it can't go back. Okay, show it to the screen. It is so pretty.
Well, it's kind of
sparkly.
okay. This looks like frosting.
Okay, literally. I I got white glue. No, it's gonna ruin it. Dang it.
Wait,
I wanted clear glue, not white glue. Oh, hopefully I get like
a brown color.
No,
Yeah, hopefully.
no, hopefully I get like a purple glitter.
No.
I'm just adding a little. Yeah, that just ruined my slime. Like the color, I was so hoping for that color that's gonna ruin it.
Jewel, were you hoping for this color? Because I know you love this color.
Ooh, look at this. It's like a light purple.
Yeah, I don't like that.
It's like a monster color for me. I don't know.
This is actually a monster color, so it's blue.
Here, you can pick one. Ooh, I like this. It's pretty. Okay, I got pink food coloring.
Lift the roof. Lift the roof.
She really likes pink. That's like her favorite color.
It is my favorite color. Oh yeah, speaking of like, make sure to like this video and subscribe down below. So that we can get
hers
more
is gonna be
likes.
Oh no, red and green make brown.
Julia, this is pink.
And blue, teal. Well, you never know. It could make brown. Oh no, the pink and the teal.
Julia, but that looks actually like a purpley.
Yeah.
I just want to leave it like this because it looks cool.
Okay, ours both looks purple.
No, mine is dark purple, and yours is like really, really light purple.
Okay, I got orange glitter. Oh my, that's
Orange glitter.
I wanted purple, not orange. Oh, Julie, I got a light blue. Or I mean dark blue. Or dark purple. Dark blue and dark purple. Okay, so I just added a little orange. I'm just gonna add a little more.
Julia, it'll still look good with the purple.
Okay.
You know that.
Yeah, I know, but I wanted a purple thing.
I need activator.
Okay, we're doing it at the end. No. Oh no, mine is like a brown almost. It's like, okay, I got
Purple glitter.
ah, dang it. No. Aw, she got
That would actually kind of look good on this.
there's stuff on my okay. Aw. I still like my slime. It's like a pink purple.
Okay, put it back. Put that back.
I'm gonna put this.
Oh my gosh. Look at this.
I got clear glue!
Yes. Julie, look at this. It's like sparkly.
Okay, come on, clear. Take that white out. Okay,
Actually, it can't.
I mean, can't. Whatever. It just adds more
I need to wipe my
glue.
finger off. Glue on it.
It smells like glue in here.
Well, because there's glue. It's not really sparkly. I can't really see the sparkles, but I'll have to go with it.
Okay, so these, we have 2 more rounds to
Like,
go.
if I add like a light
One
color,
more.
it still would just be like a dark color. Because like nothing can fade.
Okay, Elle, it's your turn. Look away. Okay, this depends on. Okay, what is it?
It's clear glue.
Okay, clear glue. We both got clear glue. So these are the pile that we've already done. I really like them. This is really pretty. So Elle's gonna add her clear glue in. We both have a purple. Sort of. Yeah, Elle's is like a dark and mine is like a pinkish, purplish kind of color. So now, it's my turn. So I'm just going to pick the last one.
Oh my gosh. It's
Foam balls! I got whole thing in. I'm just adding. So that feels so weird. I'm adding.
Oh my gosh, that feels awesome. Okay, so
That should be enough.
yeah.
After this, after Julia does that, we will show you what they look like before we add the activator. So we have an empty bowl. All of these. So I'm going to mix my slime. Okay, so Elle is going to show you guys hers.
So
Mine
it's like this purpley color.
And mine is this color with some foam balls in it and some orange glitter. So now we're going to activate.
So excited.
We're first gonna try this kind of activator, and then we're gonna add staff glue or whatever.
So my slime, I shouldn't call it slime, but this is very thick.
So we're gonna add some.
This is like one of the slimes that we have, Julia. You know, like that galaxy kind of one.
Oh yeah, that one. Yeah.
There's like
Should add a lot. So this one doesn't usually work for our slimes that we make, so we usually add staff glue. But we just wanted to try if this works. So it's not really working, so we're gonna add this staff glue. I'm going to help Elle pour it because I know the perfect amount. I was like, dude. So you just add a little at a time. It's almost coming out. It's coming out. So we're adding a little at a time. So we should mix for 20 seconds every time. This is pastry. So I think mine's coming together a little. You just need to add like a little bit. So
mine's not that really coming together.
go a lot in. So that really helps it. So it will be a lighter color because of this kind of activator. It's like a white color.
It's not really coming together.
So that's why you have to mix it really good.
It's still like a pastry.
I think if you add too much food coloring, it won't activate.
Thanks.
But, you know, we just need to add like a ton in. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, that's good. It's coming together because I added like a lot.
Okay, that's look like a pastry. It's like, and then.
So mine is coming together.
I need some so that mine can come together.
And I feel the hardness of my spoon. Okay, just add.
Oh my goodness.
I'm adding like a lot because I really want this really, really good color to become a really, really good slime. Because I really like the color.
So I'm drawing in it.
Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Show the camera. That looks like a rose. Show the camera.
Don't do it, Brent. I can't. I
Okay.
can't stop doing it.
We're going to show you guys Elle's beautiful creation out of glue. And the activator we're using. Look at that. Do you see it? That is so pretty. Like really pretty. If you didn't see that, then I'm just telling you it is really pretty. It was really pretty.
I bet they could see it.
Yeah, I bet you guys could see it. So,
Okay, now I just messed it up.
here.
Oh my gosh, mine's coming together.
I know.
Like, Joy, look. Like this.
Yes.
This is the way that I kind of wanted it to, I guess. Joy, look.
Oh, that's a sign, Elle, that it's coming together.
I know.
So you just keep on adding the activator until it forms a slime, and then you can with your hands. So,
Which I'm not going to do that. And you guys know, I do not like sticky slimes. And I don't like mixing it either. It gets my hands all dirty.
I really, really like this color, so I'm not going to let you down.
Okay, I need some more activator. Liquid starch.
Ready for the rose? Huh? The rose. Joy, I'm drawing something else. Whoa. Yeah, this is so gonna come together. This is so pretty.
Look at this color. It's like a unicorn color.
Joy, look.
It's like a star that I made.
Add some more liquid starch to mine so that it will come together. Yay, it's coming together. I just need to mix it.
Mine's coming together.
Hands. Oh, one hand. Because I need one to add activator. So now I'm pouring a little at a time because I don't want it to be too stiff. So this is so pretty. It is so gonna come together. So Elle's is really pretty.
Watery.
Oh, sorry, I forgot to add some to yours. Like a lot to yours. There.
This doesn't feel good.
Mine feels good. Oh, you have to really play with it.
Okay, I just like bleh.
How? Really mix it and play with it.
Do it like this.
You know, whatever. Just make sure it comes
To you.
slime that it is.
I'm gonna need a paper towel.
Oh, you have to mix it. And then
Do you
when the
like my
slime is
fingers?
done.
Do you like my fingernails? Julie, do you like my fingernails? One's very long. My fingernail, look. My fingernail's very long.
Okay, so when I'm done with my slime,
You are going to mix mine.
yeah. So mine is turning into a pink because of the clear. It made bubbles, and so it turned into a pink.
Oh, come on. This is just on me forever.
Elle, with the hand you have, can you please add some?
Julia, why right now? I have a hand that is purple. Okay, I just need a paper towel.
So mine is coming together. Oh my gosh. The bowl is like coming off the table. It's really funny. Okay, I need one too. Oh.
This is rude. I need more than you. Literally.
Okay, so we're getting some paper towels over here.
So I'll show you my hand right now.
Yeah, Elle's hand is a little
Messy.
messy.
It's not exactly little, it's a lot.
So if you guys play Roblox, we play. My name is Brownie Doggy 2010, and we play Adopt Me, Bloxburg,
I play.
and Leap City. And don't press the button. So if you guys see us playing, you guys just say I subscribe to your channel, and then we'll know that you watch our videos, and we'll say hi. And my slime is coming together. And some, like when it's like this, I know when it's coming together.
Just saying, guys. If your hand turns out to be stained, be
It's
careful.
not stained.
Yes, it is. It's literally purple, and it's stained here.
Okay, so I am done with my slime.
You are going to do my slime.
Of course. Sure. So, Elle's slime is very beautiful. She just hasn't been mixing it and putting her hand in it, obviously. If you put your hand in it, it will become a slime mill. Like literally. So
I wanted this, okay? I did.
what? What did you want?
I wanted foam balls. Maybe after the video I can add foam balls.
No.
Yeah.
So we just got 2 more slimes and we like them very much.
Except
This
I need to
purple
put-
one and then the pink foam ball one that I need. No, Elle, you're not supposed to do that.
I want to.
No, you can't.
It's my slime.
Elle's is coming together. It is really pretty.
I just want to
And
feel it.
purple. And both our slimes are really, really pretty. I was hoping for a purple slime and Elle was hoping for a pink slime. So we like traded. I got a pink one and she got a purple one.
Just like in Granny. We traded.
So this is really pretty. It's Elle's. But we still like get to play with each other's slimes. Hell, how about Elle, how about you get 2 foam balls in yours? I just put 2 in yours, so you should be happy.
No, I want 4. No,
Look at all
I
that.
want all this back.
So Elle's is done. And so is mine. Which is really pretty. So we're going to show you our finished slime. This is mine. It has some foam balls and it's pink. Just a little touch of purple because there's purple in my hands. So, yeah.
It's building up, and now it's building down. It's building up,
Yeah, this is my slime. And
and
it's
it's
so pretty.
building down. Found those.
And good.
Finally, it's ready. I'm gonna put this stuff again.
You guys should totally watch our slime smoothies.
Do it.
They're so... Okay, Elle's gonna add a little foam balls.
A little, you say?
Yes, a little. A little. Because you weren't supposed to add foam balls. So she's adding like a little foam balls. So, yeah.
Here, get your slime off my area.
I'm going to look like a little speck. I'm going to wash my hands and show you guys our slime up close.
We don't have time to. I think. But we don't have time to show them all of our slimes.
Okay, I'm going to show you our
No, Julia.
slimes up.
We don't.
Okay, so I'm going to show you guys our slimes. This is mine. It is so pretty. Because it looks like just a little purple because I had some purple on my hand. And then I put it with this slime because it's so good. So, yeah. This is Elle's slime. It is very purpley and it has some foam balls in it.
It actually has a lot.
And it's really, really pretty. So, yeah.
It's like a mirror.
Subscribe and
Don't let the big
watch
bugs-
more of our videos.
And don't let the big bugs bite.
What? And have fun at home. Bye.
Don't let the big